Hello, my name is Morrison Thomas, and for my final paper, I chose to discuss the differences between the two video transportation protocols, unicast and multicast. Consumers may not realize how complex it is to deliver video to their devices on any platform. Throughout this entire course, this topic was the one that fascinated me the most. It reminded me of a discussion about which part of a vehicle is more important, the engine or the wheel. Without the engine, the vehicle cannot move. And without the wheels, the engine cannot propel the vehicle forward. So they both play a critical role in the whole collaboration, each dependent on the other. The same applies to unicast and multicast to a certain extent. They both play a part in the delivery transportation protocol in IPTV. Unicast versus multicast by Morrison Thomas. We will now take a look at the differences between a unicast protocol and a multicast protocol. A unicast protocol is designed to convey messages from a single source device to a single destination, whereas a multicast protocol is designed to convey messages from multiple addresses to multiple destinations. A unicast session is the conventional networking method two computers use to communicate with one another within a private one-on-one environment or session. From an IPTV perspective, video on demand, also known as VOD, is a great example of a unicast application. This diagram illustrates how a unicast session would work. For each unicast video on demand session, a separate stream of content exists on the network. The next screen will illustrate a multicast session. The picture shows a broadband network with 3 homes currently playing the same broadcast video stream. Each of these homes have an active multicast session receiving the same video bit stream that originates from the telco head end. A multicast illustration. Each customer has a unique active unicast session with a VOD server in the telco head end. Each separate video bit streams are flowing from the head end / VOD server to each house, along with back channel for trick mode support, such as pause, play, fast forward, and rewind playback. The multicast technique enables a video operator to add a broadcast video to a network. It saves a tremendous amount of network bandwidth over a unicast, but there is no reliability mechanism, so lost packets stay lost. So if a broadband network is showing a video stream of a live event, every home that has an active multicast session will receive the same video bit stream that originated from the telco head end. The advantages of a multicast session over a unicast session. Multicast saves the network bandwidth by sending a common data stream out to many users at once. Unicast sends several data streams to many users at once. Multicast saves an enormous amount of network bandwidth. Multicast lowers network congestions. Because multicast saves a lot of network bandwidth, it naturally saves a lot of network congestion, with fewer collisions and fewer lost or dropped packets at routers. In conclusion, each session has its unique purpose in building out a video service. Unicast is the tool of choice for video on-demand services, while multicast is a tool of choice for broadcast services. Multicast does have 3 advantages over unicast. 1, it saves network bandwidth. 2, it lowers network congestion. And 3, saves on server or source load. I hope my presentation helps to shed some light on the 2 video transportation protocols in IPTV.